like a tiny bean, ready to get my chompers clean. Upstairs, downstairs, here we go. Brushing fast and brushing slow. Brush, brush, brush your teeth on the top and underneath. Circle round and side to side, nowhere for the germs to hide. Keep them white and keep them bright, morning time and every night. Front teeth, back teeth, way in the back, scrubbing away every sugary snack. Don't forget the ones that help you chew. Give them a little tickle too, then stick out your tongue and give it a sweep before you go to play or sleep. Brush for 2 minutes, that's